Dahil sa pandemyang dulot ng COVID-19, nahaharap tayo sa matinding hamon sa edukasyon. Ngunit hindi ito hadlang para tayo ay tumigil sa pagkakatuto. Kaya naman, tayo ay gumagawa ng paraan gamit ang makabagong teknolohiya sa pagharap natin sa new normal. Tayo ay magkakaroon ng bagong classrooms at virtual class sa Sipnayan. Makakatulong ang video na ito upang lalo natin matutunan ang lessons dahil maaari natin ulit-ulitin ang discussion. Ako po si Sir Louie. Tara, aral tayo!
Nature of the roots of quadratic equation and how to get the discriminant. In the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, the radicand b squared minus 4ac is what we call the discriminant. Consider the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the discriminant or b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real, rational, and equal to 0. If the discriminant or b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and it is a perfect square, then the roots are real, rational, and unequal to 0. If the discriminant or b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, then the roots are real, irrational, and unequal to 0. And if the discriminant or b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not real or imaginary. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations using the discriminant. Number 1, we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. First, we identify the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. Value of a is 1, the value of b is negative 4, and the value of c is positive 4. Then we use the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Then we plug in or substitute the values. We have the discriminant is equal to negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Then we evaluate. The discriminant is negative 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 4 is 16. Therefore, our discriminant is 0. If our discriminant is 0, then the roots are real, rational, and equal to 0. Next number 2, we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Again, find the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. Value of a is 1, value of b is 7, and the value of c is 10. Using the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, we have b squared is 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. Then we have the discriminant of 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 10 is 40. We have the discriminant of 9. If the discriminant is greater than 0 and it is a perfect square, therefore the roots are real, rational, and unequal to 0. Next number 3, we have x squared plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of a is 1, the value of b is 6, and the value of c is 3. Using the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant is equal to 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. Let's evaluate the discriminant. We have 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 3 is 12. So our discriminant is 24. If our discriminant is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, therefore the roots are real, irrational, and unequal to 0. Number 4, x squared minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. The value of a is 1, the value of b is negative 2, and the value of c is 5. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the values. We have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5. Then the discriminant is negative 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 4 minus 20. Our discriminant is negative 16. Our discriminant is less than 0 or it is a negative. Therefore, the roots are imaginary or not real. I hope you like our lesson and I'll see you again next time.